cutters. As soon as I leave here, I'm gonna find it. That's why I said it'd been nice, man, if I could have cleaned my truck up. That's like my wife. My wife like to clean the house up before we leave, so she can come back to a clean house, or we come back to a clean house. Treat my truck the same. I ain't trying to come back to this. Get this right here. So can't find them. Supposed to be in my plumber drawer, folks. My plumbing department. I had to go the old school way. I'm gonna use this. Yeah, man, I'm going to Home Depot today. I need about a funnel and maybe 2 cutters. Work. What happened to the chat, folks? My last chat, pump water right back in the drain line. Y'all got me feel like I'm talking to myself. I got to end this live. Look, that's an auger right there. Nope. Get the job done. I'm about to end this live, folks. I ain't gonna talk to myself. Yeah, man, I'm about to go old school now. Y'all just want. Some people like to work for work, then I sell the tripod. But I got everything documented like I wanted to. Yeah, man, because if it ain't stopped up right here, that's what it was, lack of flow. Needed that cap. Right there. All right. Yeah. So maybe this and the cap then. So I'm gonna take this off right here, man. Show the homeowner, man. This is my problem. The main problem. They got 2 problems. Oh man. Just stop that right